Hello, this is Tech Tips with Stoneman. Today we're going to show you another Gmail tip trick. Real quick, this will be a quickie for you. Did you know inside Gmail you can actually undo sending an email? You can also schedule emails as well. So it's a fairly simple process. So in order to undo an email, we're going to compose an email real quick. We'll send this to myself. gmail.com. Subject, test email. And I got fat fingers today. Out. And now if we hit send, and you notice real quick, undo. So by default, you can actually change and undo that. It'll pop it back up as a draft. Why you want to do it? You forgot to attach an email. You typed in something wrong. You don't feel like emailing it at all. That's where you would do that. So let's go in the settings real quick. And it's a really cool feature. And let's just change the time limit that we have to undo this. You would think it's immediate, but in Gmail by default it's 5 seconds. And you can change it up to 30 seconds. So really quick, we go to settings. We go to see all settings. And we go right here. And I've already set mine to 30 seconds. So undo send. We see it right here. All we got to do is change this drop down. By default, it's 5 seconds. You can change this up to 30 seconds. So what that means, it takes about 30 seconds in order for the email. It just pauses it basically so you can think about it and undo actions. Once you change this setting, we're going to scroll down to the bottom here. You're going to hit save changes. I didn't make any changes. Once that's back, we'll go back to our inbox and we can see, here we go. We're just going to reply to this email, reply, and we're going to do test back. We're going to hit send, and now we've got the undo, so we can click on undo. We have up to 30 seconds to undo the message. If we don't want to undo, we know it's good. We're just going to click on that X. Now, the second quick tip in Gmail, we're going to reply this email again, is to schedule an email reply. So what we do is we would reply to this, and we put test back schedule. So what that'll do is you'll schedule your email reply back. So instead of just clicking on send, we're going to use this drop down, send more options arrow, schedule send. So we can do it for tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, Monday morning. We can pick a date and time. We could change it to whatever we want. Then we just click on schedule send. And now if you notice, we have it scheduled to send. And this will take a few minutes. This mailbox only appears, or this label only appears when we have a scheduled sent. We click on it, we can see the two things in there. One is to my wife. I did a scheduled send before I did this email. And then this. Messages will be scheduled in scheduled will be sent at their scheduled time. Hope this helps you out with your email management, quick emails, scheduling emails, things like that. This is Stoneman from Tech Tips with Stoneman. And if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more tech tips.